So one question I do get asked quite a bit when people first purchase any of my presentation decks is where are the presenter notes? Where is the script that you talk about these all coming with? And it can be a little bit tricky to find in Canva, so I'm going to show you. So here we have one of the presentation decks open in Canva. This is my seasonal eating, the newest one that just dropped. Well, right now you can't see anything, but what you're going to want to do is come down to this bottom left-hand corner where it says notes. And you see when you hover on it, you can see it says presenter notes. So that's the little button that you're going to want to click. This sidebar will pop up. Not all of the pages have presenter notes in the beginning because, that's just kind of when you would be introducing the topic and your slideshow and all of that. So, but if we scoot along into the main content, you can see there are notes that pop up. So going forward, this will be on every page just to kind of help cue you into what to say. They all start with kind of like a summary of what to explain, and then every slide also has an example script, just because I know how helpful that can be. Even, when I had my slide deck first made, I was just kind of still panicked about going through it and knowing what to say. So having a little script was really helpful. So that's what this is for. It makes it super easy if you're presenting online or doing a webinar or Zoom or something, because you can literally just read it. If you're doing this in person, you probably want to study the script a little more. So you're not reading something the whole time, but it's a really cool feature that Canva offers. And of course, if you want to change anything on it, it's totally editable. So you can delete it, put your own information in there, and really tailor it to your presentation, to your audience. That would be another reason that you might want to edit it a little bit. But for the most part, the notes are pretty straightforward to go along with the slides and kind of give your audience some things to think about, give you some great talking points. But yeah, that's where you find them down here in this little menu at the bottom. You can view them on your mobile device if you have the Canva app as well. You just have to click on the slide that you're on, and then again, you'll see down in the bottom menu, it'll say notes. So that's where the presenter scripts are, and I hope they help you guys out.